Hey, what's up everybody? Today we're going to be playing White Noise. It's like a scary game. I never played it before, I just downloaded it. So I decided to make a YouTube video off of it. So, let's go. And it's only $1, it's an indie game. I don't know if it's good or not, I haven't really played it. Okay, so supposedly people got lost, blah blah blah. They found a tape recorder and noise. Okay. Random location. Speed. This guy, he looks cool. Wait, speed, cinema. Send it. Oh, he's stupid. Go to this guy. Find all the tape recorders. Flashlight. Oh, holy shit, it's kind of hard to see, don't you think? I don't want to run because I can't see. Spooky forest. I was gonna play with my brother, but he thought it was gonna be scary. I told him that it was gonna be a scary game. Never played it before, but he was scared. Oh, what's that right there? Something over there too. How many tape recorders are there? Oh shit, it's not. Found one. Oh shit, oh, that scared me. What? This reminds me of Slenderman, or the game Slender. Oh shit! What the oh shit, what the hell is that? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. What the hell is that? I don't know if you guys saw that, but there's like some, holy shit. My heart is pounding. Ah! Oh! Holy shit. What the? I'm so scared. I'm not turning around no more. What the hell is this? It's like a gay party here. Licking each other. You're a tape. Oh, there it is. Oh, shit. What the hell are these? What are they? What the hell? Oh, just a map loading. Oh! I keep on forgetting those are there and it keeps on scaring me. jump in this water? Holy shit! Run away. This guy runs so slow. I should have chosen a guy with a lot of stamina. Oh shit. Doesn't look that scary. It looks like it's a drawn monster, but shit, it just pops up and your screen goes all bright and everything. See, I like running, but you can't see anything. You just see the ground. Like run with your flashlight up. Oh my god! Who the hell is he? He's gonna be behind me. Oh, you can't go in the water. Holy shit. Oh, my brother would be scared shitless right now. Have I been here? I think I saw it, but I never... Yeah, I have, actually. You go and download the trial for this game if you like it, or just look at this, watch this video and see if it's good or not. It's sort of like Slender. There's those retards again. So I've been here. I don't know. Is this small? There's 8, and I only found how much? 3. What the hell is that? Oh shit, I don't know if you guys hear that on here, but I hear like growling. Holy shit, he's getting closer. Oh my god, my screen is all blurry and shit, I can't see shit. Hello? He's still there. Oh my god, can I jump across this? Something? No? Oh yes, I can. Run away. Oh my god. This guy gets tired so fast. So retarded. Runs so slow. He's probably like 700 pounds. Can't run or anything. Is that shit still behind me? Oh my god. If this was like real life, I would have just had a heart attack and died on the spot. Okay. It's like where they cut wood, obviously. Oh! What the hell was that? What kind of sound did I just make? Where is he? What is that over there? This game is actually kind of creepy. There's something behind you. I don't want to spray it because then I don't have my light. Oh my god, I got so scared. It took me 8 minutes and 1 second to find 2 tapes and I died. Memory of a Minecraft kid. Well, that what? You don't have to put my name up there. Screams 1. What? I had more than 1 scream. How? There's like a microphone around here somewhere watching my screams. What the hell is that? Oh, it's like where I walked? I guess explanation points are where I saw him, I guess. It was right there and I turned around and ran. Damn, I ran in a big circle. No wonder why I couldn't find any. Damn. And then I probably die right about now. Nope. Let's speed this up. And I died right there. So if you liked the video, please give a like, subscribe. I will probably be playing more of this. Probably for my brother if he grows up here. And I probably will play online with some friends. So, peace, and make sure to like and subscribe.